Al-Hadeeth tunazzalu manzilat ad-darura. Recording videos, Islamic lectures and Islamic classes. There are from the ulama of Ahl Sunnah those that say it is not permissible. Then there are those that say la, it is permissible due to the need of da'wah. That's why Shaykh al-Islam Ibn Baz rahimahullah ta'ala rahmatan wasi'ah, he said, I used to say that it was not permissible, I used to believe it was not permissible and so on, so I used to take that opinion, but now I believe that it is befitting. Because if we're saying that the hajj, the personal need of the person, if we're saying it's permissible, then the benefit of the ummah in da'wah and more, which is more general, is more in need of it. So they say al-hadeeth tunazzalu manzilat ad-darura. So for example now, imagine if none of the ulama of Ahlul Sunnah wal Jama'ah were to use videos for recording their lessons or their lectures. And then Ahlul Bid'ah, as you know, hadith wala haraj, everywhere, you find them everywhere. Would the da'wah be how it is today? La. Someone can say, la, but Shaykh Muqbil rahimahullah ta'ala rahmatan wasi'ah, Shaykh Albani rahimahullah ta'ala rahmatan wasi'ah, and other ulama, there's no video of them being recorded and their da'wah reached everywhere. Sahih, that's true. That is where the niqash comes in. That is where the person is saying the hajjah of today is not the hajjah of the past. A person can argue and say, during those times, the majority of people, whether Ahlul Bid'ah or Ahlul Sunnah, were always recording on what? Lecture, cassettes. You probably don't know what cassettes are. Lakin mahallu shahid, and write this down, this benefit. وَالشَّأْنُ لَا يعتقد المثال إذ قد كف الفرض والاحتمال. And this is when a person mentions an example, in order to explain the qa'idah, someone can't say, la, that is wrong, and that is a mumayyi', and that is this, and that is that. You say to them, وَالشَّأْنُ لَا يعتقد المثال إذ قد كف الفرض والاحتمال. When a person mentions an example, you can't hold him to account for the example. You can hold him to account for the qa'idah and say the qa'idah is correct, but the example you can't hold him to account for it as long as the possibility of it is correct and the application of it can be called correct.